Hi, welcome to Zoomer Trading. Today we're going to be showing you the best stocks to day trade. This watch list is best for trading options. These stocks are great for day trading because there's always a lot of activity and shares being traded on the day. The reason why we use these stocks is because these stocks provide great liquidity, making it easy to get in and out of trades and making money quickly. It is important to be familiar with how certain stocks trade before using them for options trading. And a good way to get familiar with how a stock trades is to watch it and paper trade it. Never trade a stock without knowing how it moves. Some stock premiums move a lot faster than others, meaning you can make a lot of money quickly, but also lose a lot of money quickly. Here are some stocks that I recommend for beginners on my daily watch list. First one, we have Apple. Second one, we have AMD. Third one, we have Disney. Fourth one, we have SQ. Fifth one, we have BA. Sixth one, we have LUV. And lastly, we have DKNG. These stocks are good for beginners because they usually have tight spreads and are easy to get in and out quickly. Even though these are some easier stocks to start trading, remember to paper trade these stocks before using real money and use proper risk management. These are the best stocks to day trade as a beginner. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoy the video. Please leave a like. And remember, we are Zoomer Trading, fast explanations, faster trading.